At the far end of town where the grickle grass grows and the wind smells slow and sour when it blows, and no birds ever sing excepting all the crows, is the street of the lifted Lorax. Now, I bet you have heard or at least read the story of the Lorax, or even watched the movie. What if I told you that the world that the Onceler lives in will be our Earth in the year 2030? The Washington Post says at our currently global pace of carbon emissions, the world will burn through its remaining carbon budget by 2030. Doing so would put the long-term goal of keeping global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius, 2.7 degrees Fahrenheit, irrevocably out of reach. I'm not saying this to scare you, but to encourage you to act. But let me explain to you what climate change is, what causes it, its effect on our environment, and what we can do to help. So, first question, what is climate change and what exactly causes it? Well, according to NASA, climate change is a long-term change in the average weather patterns that have come to define Earth's local, regional, and global climate. Climate change is caused by greenhouse gas. You see, there's this thing called the greenhouse effect, which is when the sun is creating the Earth's energy, and when sunlight reaches the Earth, they will trap some of that energy, and the rest will be reflected off the Earth. The energy that is trapped is stored inside our atmosphere. Our atmosphere is made up of many types of gases, aka greenhouse gases. They consist of methane, carbon dioxide, and water vapor, and they absorb solar energy. Greenhouse gases can come from volcano eruptions, natural wildfires, and animal and plant decomposition. The trees, plants, and oceans naturally clean the earth from these gases and release oxygen so that we can breathe, which in turn gives us and animals a nice and healthy place to live. But now we have come in and started burning oil, coal, and gas, which also emit these gases into the air. Not only that, but we have cut down the Earth's main Earth's filter and lungs, our trees. In doing so, we have filled our atmosphere with all these gases more than the Earth can remove it. The more gases are in the atmosphere, the more Earth will heat up. Earth's temperature has risen by at least 1.1 degrees Celsius. This might not seem like a lot, but scientists say that if the temperature rises more than 2 degrees Celsius, it will be too late and we will not be able to do anything about it. If global temperatures continue to rise, so will the frequency and intensity of natural disasters. Disasters such as hurricanes, heat waves, thunderstorms, droughts, and tornadoes are going to continue to occur more frequently in correlation with rising global temperatures. The heat is destroying Earth's natural cooling system. The North Pole, the icebergs and polar ice caps are melting, which causes our sea levels to rise, then causes coastal areas to flood and destroy the homes of many humans. The increase in temperature also causes our Earth to dry up since there is not much water and our plants all die. Our ocean life is also being destroyed, causing our main source of protein to decrease. This all means that we may not have any food to eat either. Animals and plant life are struggling to adapt to these conditions for survival. If one species goes extinct, it will affect everyone else. No living animals or plant means no living human. Now, you might be wondering, what can I do to help? Well, instead of burning fossil fuels, we can rely on more reliable and natural ways to produce energy like solar energy and wind power. We can plant more trees so we can have clean air, drive an electric or fuel efficient car, carpool, you can walk or bike places, you can take public transportation when more efficient, or ease off the accelerator. Use energy efficient light bulbs, buy things that have less packaging or items that use recyclable packaging. If you're an architect or interior designer, try to design buildings that are energy efficient. If you're a doctor or dentist, use equipment that is more energy efficient. If you're a teacher, teach about what is going on. If you're a student, use both sides of your paper. You can use Google to see how you can be more energy efficient and help our Earth. Most importantly, spread your knowledge. The more you tell people about what you learn and you spread awareness, the more others will learn and we will all work together to do something. What we do or do not do today will affect our tomorrow and our future. In conclusion, you may still be thinking, what is the point of all of this? We are all going to die, and the earth is going to end at some point in our lives. This is true, but think about it. Why would someone take their time and spend money to find a good house? Why would someone paint the walls with their favorite color? Why would someone spend money on a trash can for their house? We are going to die, and our houses will be left here on earth. It's because it's their home. They want their place to feel safe and clean and want somewhere where they will be happy. Our earth is our temporary home. We must take care of it the best we can. We are living in it for a reason. Although we may be the cause of climate change, we can also be the solution. Remember, unless someone like you cares a whole lot, nothing will get better. It's just not. Thank you.